facilities towards it?
Yeah, it has been a very long demand for many years that health facilities should be restored at the old Ribandar Hospital. Finally, today the health center has started and has already informed by the Honorable Minister. This will in phases be increased so that full-fledged medical facilities are available for the people of Ribandar and the surrounding villages. This has been our demand for many years, and it is really so nice that finally the government has provided these facilities here, which are very much required for the huge population.
How do you see the work of the Panjim MLA? Was he cooperating with you also?
Yeah, he had promised that it would be done, and he has lived up to his promise. And finally, the health center has been inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister today in the presence of the Health Minister. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. A warm welcome to this grand opening of the Health and Wellness Center, Health Officer Urban Health Center. Once again, a warm welcome to a great beginning for a beautiful life in Ribandar. A health center that we have all waited for, and finally our dream has come true. We have got our Honorable CM of the state of Goa, Mr. Pramod Sawant. We have also the Health Minister of Goa, Mr. Vishwas Tripathi, and we have got our own Honorable MLA of Panjim, Babush Monsarat, with us, along with all the dignitaries. So we are We are going to be having a short prayer.
पुताच्या आणि पवित्रात्म्याचे नावे स्वर्गस्पोर तुमचे सव्य आसून प्रार्थया स्वर्गस्पोरांच्या देवा पवित्र आत्म्याच्या सहकारान तुझ्या पुतान आमची पिडा शिडा बरी केली आमच्यो दुखी पंथी हळू केलो आनी शिसान शीख वर्तमान परगटून धाडले तेन्ना पिडीवंतान भेट करूंक आनी तांकां बरी करूंक तांकां हुकूम घालो हांगा रावतात व रावतली तितलेय पिडीवंतांक गोंयजांचो आनी तांच्या आदाराचो सांगात मेळो सदांच तांचो बरो परामर्श जावं आनी हांगाची भायर सरतली तेन्ना मनाची आनी कुडीची भलायकी मेळूं निरंतरी तुजी काकूत ती वाखाणूक पावूं क्रिस्ता आमच्या सुमिया वरवीं सर्वेस्पोर तुमचे सव्य आसूं स्वपदवीदार देव बाब पुतान पवित्र आत्मो तुम्हा समेस्तांचेर आशिर्वाद घालूं
Standard program 24/7 त्याला सगळ्यांना राहणे गेले जाणार is the most important is the standard program. बाकीच्या क्षेत्रात विरोध काय Hi, morning. How are you? Hi, how are you? Thank you.
With the offering of the flowers, we have welcomed our guests to the facility with the blessings of our Honorable Health Minister, and finally the right.
To begin with, on behalf of my health officer, Director of Health Services, I extend our gratitude to Honorable CM for all his support in identifying the premises and handing over for this noble cause of setting up the health center. To the MLA of Panjim, Shri Babush Monserrat, for executing all the civil work and refurbishing the premises in a very short span of time. This will benefit all the citizens of Ribandar and the surrounding areas. To Honorable Health Minister, for his continuous support and guidance. He has been continuously monitoring the setup of this facility, conducting various meetings and visits to make this reality for the citizens of Ribandar. To our Director of Health Services, Dr. Dissa and Dr. Aira, who has given their full cooperation for all the requirements that were required for this place. To the Dean of JMC, Dr. Bandekar, for all the HR staff, GBK EMRI, of this center, which is going to be 24/7 with a STEMI unit. To the whole team who has been tirelessly working to make this dream come into reality. My health officer of Urban Health Center Panjim, Dr. Oswald, medical officer in charge of Kodlem, Dr. Kedar Raikar, my health educator Rupali, who has been working with me, medical officer in charge Dr. Shraddha, all the doctors, staff of VHC Panjim, sincere gratitude for all the hard work in making this facility.
Delay and help patient केले, इसलिए नॉर्थ चल गए थे. तो people of Ribandar are happy for that.
Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, my very good friend, Shri Babush Monserrat, and our doctors from Goa Medical College, Dr. Aira, Dr. Indira, Dr. Aida, Dean Dental College, with the support of the Chief Minister and the vision what Babush has created. Actually, like what you said just now is that Honorable Chief Minister was kind enough to allot this area for the starting of the health center. But I must tell you that the amount of effort that has been put in by Babush to see day and night, means there's no chance of any kind of scope for escaping from this kind of situation or not delivering anything. With the support of the Chief Minister, we have here started the STEMI 24/7, so that if there's any cardiac event or cardiac emergency, this will be a full-fledged STEMI center, which I was just explaining to the Chief Minister, which Babush wanted. He said, if you're starting something, start something that has got all the facilities for the people of Ribandar, so people don't have to move far away from it for basic things. As suggested, there will be a 2D echocardiography machine which works through telemedicine. We can transmit the condition of the patient suffering from STEMI. We have got a dental college, Goa Medical College. This will be the first health center where dental college, Goa Medical College, as well as the health services are all integrated and working in one unified fashion because of the initiative taken by Shri Babush Monserrat. The doctors from dental are already being posted here. doctors from Goa Medical College have been posted here, and also it will be having a full-fledged facility and also mobile X-ray unit and ultrasound which will shortly come here. So in addition to this, whatever immediately needs to be done, and this could be done because of the support and free hand given by the Chief Minister and vision of Shri Babush Mansarat. He has a vision for this particular place. I am sure shortly this vision of his will get fulfilled for the people of Ribandar, because for him, whatever he has said and whatever we are doing with this place and the facilities, and he at his own expense and cost he has refurbished this whole place, which I am really very grateful to him for the help, giving that type of support for the health department, and to my Chief Minister for having supported us and giving us a free hand for having been able to implement all this. Many times you require that freedom to implement, and I am grateful to you, to Shri Dr. Pramod Sawantji, for having given that type of freedom that is required to put Babush's vision in true perspective. This is a vision which he has just been started, and the other part of his vision I am confident that will soon become a reality.
Thank you, sir.
हेल्थ सेंटर रायबंद्रा डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ हेल्थ सर्व्हिसच्या वतीन आज इनॉग्रेट जावपी हेल्थ सेंटर रायबंद्रा हाच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याक जे गांधी जयंती आणि शास्त्री जयंतीच्या निमित्तान खास करून बाबुशान 2 ऑक्टोबर गांधी जयंतीच्या दिसा हो कार्यक्रम आमी हांगा करूया. म्हाका दिसता सत्य अहिंसा आणि सर्वधर्म समभाव ह्या भावनेचेर महात्मा गांधीजीचे विचार आशिल्ले, तेच विचार फुडें व्हरपा खातीर आमी सगळे जाण हांगासर जमल्या, आणि आयज त्याच बऱ्या दिसा गांधी जयंतीच्या दिसा आमी हे उक्तावण करता. म्हज्या बरोबर हेल्थ मिनिस्टर कॉपी सुजीत राणे आसा, MLA बाबूश मनसरात, त्याच बरोबर हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाचो इन्चार्ज डायरेक्टर एंड ऑल स्टाफ, त्या बरोबर हांगासर आणि बाकीचे सगळे समेत कावन्सिलर आणि सगळे जाण हांव आज सगळ्या जाणांक गांधी जयंती आणि शास्त्री जयंतीच्या ह्या बऱ्या दिसा परबी दिता. आणि बाबुशान ह्या लोकांची डिमांड आशिल्ली हांगासर प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर जावचें, त्या निमित्तान आमी हेल्थ सेंटर इन्क्लुडींग फर्स्ट हेल्थ सेंटर जशें विश्वजितान सांगलें, वीच इज इंटिग्रेटेड वीथ द डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसीस, डेंटल कॉलेज एंड गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज. इट विल बी द फर्स्ट हेल्थ सेंटर इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. इट इज इंटिग्रेटेड with all three, with all the services available, STEMI 24/7, any cardiac emergency available आशिल्ली, including the 108 ambulance ती बी हांगासर आसतली. म्हाका दिसता ह्या परिसरांतल्या लोकांक खूब बरी सर्विसीस आमच्या डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसीसांतल्या वयल्यान निश्चितच मेळटली. आणि वेगवेगळ्या जाग्यार गोंयांत अशा पद्दतीच्यो स्टॅमीच्यो सर्विसीस आमी अवेलेबल करून दिल्या. थोड्याच दिसा भितर आमी टेलिमेडिसीन सर्विसीस इन अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ विश्वजीत राणे इन हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट आमी टेलिमेडिसीन सर्विसीस गोंयांत सुरू करता, जेणे करून गोंयांतलो सगळ्या लोकांक हे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीस आसतले किंवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलांत वयचें पडटा. अर्द्या अदीक लोकांक वचपाचें बंद जातलें. दे कॅन टेक द टेली कन्सल्टेशन वीथ द गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज वीथ इज द अपेक्स हॉस्पिटल ऑफ द स्टेट. आणि निश्चितच म्हणजे कोविडांतल्या काळात आमी म्हणटात की लोक हॉस्पिटला कडेन वचपाचो कमी जावपाक जाय. टेलिमेडिसिन्स ह्या सर्विसीस जाता उपरांत हाफ द पीपल तांकां हॉस्पिटलांत येवचें पडचें ना. म्हाका दिसता अशा बऱ्या पद्दतीची सर्वीस ताच्या लिडरशिपीचा सकयल बांबोळेच्या अपेक्स हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान आमी सुरू करता. ती लोकांक खूब खूब फायदेशीर ठरतली. अशा पद्दतीन गोंय सरकार हें विथ हेल्थ फॉर ऑल ह्या कन्सेप्टाच्या सकयल आमी सगळ्या जाणांक बरी म्हणजे आय एम कॉंग्रेच्युलेटिंग वन्स अगेन फॉर द विश्वजीत एंड हिज एंटायर टीम for the post-COVID treatment with a separate cell here started in the Goa Medical College at present. Any consultation of the post-COVID जी complications जातात ते ट्रीट करपा खातीर आमी जो सेल सुरू केला तेय बी लोकांक बऱ्यांतलो बरो त्याचो फायदो जातलो. म्हाका दिसता निश्चितच आता पोस्ट कोविडाच्या उपरांत कितेंय जी कॉम्प्लिकेशन्स जाता ती आमी इजिली घेवची न्ही. ताच्या खातीर परत एकदा आमची इन्वेस्टिगेशन आसतली, बाकी कितें करचें पडटा तें निश्चितच आमी सगळ्यांनी करचें. गोंय सरकार आरोग्याच्या बाबतींत व्हेरी सिरियसली लोकांच्यो वेगवेगळ्यो फॅसिलिटीज प्रोवायड करपाक दिवपाक पेडण्या पासून काणकोण पर्यंत ईच विलेजींनी आमी व्हेरी सिरियसली काम करता. निश्चितच म्हाका दिसता हें सगळ्यांच्या पर्यंत पावचें. हांगातल्या रायबंद्रांतल्या परिसरांतल्या सगळ्या लोकांक बऱ्यांतल्यो बऱ्यो सर्विसीस ह्या हेल्थ सेंटरच्या वतीन मेळटल्यो. निश्चितच आमचो एंटायर स्टाफ हांगासरलो इन्चार्ज आनी बाकीचे सगळे 24/7 सर्विसीस ज्यो आसा ह्या लोकांक दितले. हांव परत एकदा तुमकां बाबुशान ठरयलें की एकदा जें हेल्थ सेंटर रायबंद्रा जावपाक जाय आनी तेणी म्हणटा तशें तो एकदा जर ठरयत जाल्यार तें फाटीक लागून करून घेता म्हणटा तशें. एडीस ग्रोथ आनी ते फाटीक लागून एकदाचें करून घेतलें हांव तेजेंय बी खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता कारण लोकां खातीर सातत्यान कितें तरी करीत रावप हो तेजो स्वभाव आसा आनी खंयसरूच म्हणजे तो त्या बाबतींत कमी पडना कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन फॉर हिम एंड द एंटायर टीम ऑल्सो इज कंटिन्युअसली फॉलोवींग दीस with me, the health minister, and today at last we have inaugurated. हांव त्या बद्दल खूब खूब सगळ्या जाणांक शुभेच्छा दिता. देव बरें करूं.
Newly elected corporators and our MLA. Thank you so much. We are going to be having small refreshments and I request the dignitaries.